Ni kau yang ai le badan betara ni mesti mà công chủ mà với chính số của mình các bác học ban giờ đi các bạn ban giờ ini.
First and foremost, I would like to wish everyone a very good morning, and I am filled with immense joy to receive the privilege of standing before you here today.
Cái chị em mà nói với điều đoàn là cái trong chính thu cái chị em mà giờ cái trong chính là mà giờ cái chính là bênวันdo sisyo đã cái sập phong vào chính tristom krem dapat dia oni grandin menthom lokang di chị em hà chị em chúng ta là đồ đang đi là đòn là chính thu và chính anh ban yo cái chính puli cái biển ban này kim lăng sang cái này cái cha nóการนั่งยังแฮมกันวันมีสิ่งที่พวกมันซึมบาดว่าเป็นว่าบาดเองนะวันนี้เกี่ยวชุบครั้งหางอาชีพก็บางอะไรมันต่าง
Each and every individual has his own purpose in life, and each, in its own capacity and capability, is further shaped by the talents and hard work without flinching or backtracking, but instead plunge through the trials and tribulations. As far as my life is concerned, I have developed an aim and a strong desire since my tender years to be able to achieve good education and thereafter contribute to the well-being of our society. As the days unfold, this desire turned from a spark to a flame, pushing me forward, ultimately leading me to achieve greater heights in life and making me the person that I am today.
Kuban Biden yang kisah mungkin naruh dangdut harga im kamsiam long setia gosok lakai ngak menculong kiwi bat ikan raya den sifu senam kerja cintaku daga tuk kepala kita ekabori osno bat do eka omtan bata daga boy kelas wapra bahar kasihan hi daga de cimpuli daga belai belara hijing kibre onado sawa jenon stop hado pra jenon stop nang ta asam lagi jamnya ado nyo bise jamnya kani kelai ting hado anda ya kelas tu khar.
Just to reel into the flashbacks of my early years, ever since I was a child, life and the future to me has never been handed on a silver platter. I was born into this world like any other child, able and healthy. But it was not until I was 10 years of age, I became a victim of an accident with a motorcycle while I was on foot. And this gradually affected my hearing senses and over time lost it once and for all. More to this, on reaching the 8th standard, I had to fend for myself by fetching water for people into their homes from 4 to 8 o'clock in the morning and again at 5 to 7 o'clock in the evening. This went on until I had completed my 12th standard in education.
Kram gaji do cikraman berbani yo itu tengi gaji puli kuam silo ngatrai wegan jiwa silong hagador kemudian nai balani adu kendai sunam kum assistant teacher bat nombor school bos taman yo gaji puli berbani yo kesian de lagi para gaji tristo madena di kelapan lah ingam pendap ya kabi special education nang tay ga UGC net exam master linguistic nang tay ga enho Paran tengah cimpuli kami siror kata PhD kepada cimpuli kebacawan tam nabro cimpuli.
Without losing a speck of hope, I was working with one NGO in Marshillong as an assistant teacher and side by side as a bus conductor with a meager wage per month, just so I can further my academics in the forthcoming years and also in supporting my younger siblings. Hard work and determination has enabled me to attain a B.Ed degree for special education, a master's degree in linguistics, qualifying the national eligibility test, acquiring my MPhil degree, and to pursue even higher, that is, a doctorate degree, which I believe is a Herculean task in comparison to other levels of degree in the educational system.
Nalor kata kecil lawan boy saya cimpuli bekam siror kamot bangan yo kam sorkar ho bon ki cikle nga balingan so apa kam sorkar abang ala pendek cimpuli bekam siror nga ga cuba bagajin puli kamot tang banyo kam soka kajing mot wasisya jangajin puli kedai banyo kajing dang jing stap daduk tunrai rabadan kam hok kata jing stap anyarap ante kimlang salan nata sisyo ngaong belai hari rajong Marshillong tang kinawat kam balai ngimlong kinongai kam dakawayan tang rajong kijak pernah kam hok jing stap ayo ringkat kibuat kibor jing rap mai baringkat asitriston.
To add to this, the competence in achieving higher education does not mean that I will get hold of a government job. Indeed, many question me, why not apply for a government job when I have completed my higher studies? My response goes, education is not merely to obtain a government job, but the true purpose of education is the procurement of knowledge from its grassroots level and to put it to good use that will aid in the building of the foundation of our society. Furthermore, I often mention why become job hunters in one's homeland? Instead, why not transform ourselves into job providers by furnishing work, becoming independent and self-reliant, and sincerely using our intellect coupled with hard work?
Na chung thot hai dikon men rai kem dai ban do ya ga chung I changai a chi im juki khan ta me ga chung I changai ha ga chi im a chung na ju phi man no sinyang kim lang salam.
Persons with disabilities lose their manual capacity to perform, but they should not lose their vision in life. More so when this vision of yours and mine can contribute in the society.
Dai na ga ne ga dau trai awala adu no ikabori snu nrai lang ba ga ching don ga ching tram ban no sinyang leng milang salan am sekre kum president jong kha dia association ndio sinyang kinti kum chairman jong federation of person with disability adu sinyang araja ka pra adu mata na ta man sha je ban nang kum no wat nya jo ko gen chi ro na ta ki ba ba teng national center of promotion and employment of disabled people Delhi na kamanta ka ching ha Jongki beliau jangan khamet untuk beti show jadi ban kumlo mantre na kapta ka ho jongki beliau ran khamet bat kalane entara masih.
It is because of this main reason that despite the fact that I have lost my hearing abilities, I however am passionately driven heart and soul to contribute to the community which has enabled me to be where I am, now serving as the president of Meghalaya Deaf Association for 6 years straight, as chairman of the Federation of Persons with Disabilities from 2018 until present day. Moreover, to have been selected as a research scholar for a project that has been undergoing for a year now by an NGO based in Delhi called National Center of Promotion and Employment for Disabled People to work for the betterment and the rights of persons with disabilities.
Kene chiya anti kamde setiak bosu maron ham chena shishu nantre khok chiki bure udah chungai khot na ham tam na dutun rai ba ham tam ga chika nang pandong lapan long yang na man sedang ya ga chiu NGO kebagateng atlet foundation na ga chiu thuna ra chiu kala ga chiu chiki bure udah chungai khot na.
My journey has not been a bed of roses. To fine-tune my service in the working for the rights of persons with disabilities, more especially in the remote areas, I have started an NGO called the Bear Foundation with an objective to usher in new changes in the lives of the persons with disabilities.
But go away, Chisha, Kashimpo, and Kosna Manyola, Bayangli, Mansam, Lamsipi, Yak Walang, and Kachituna, Hotmet, Kamda Satia, Walang, Kumauchin Tut, Hagach Im, Jompi, Kiburio, Nick and Long Salang, Kilavan Tip, near Epidon, Kachituna, Hotmet, recommendation to my Picam Day.
I hope and pray that whatever has been spoken of through this short speech will be of some help, if not much, as it has taken me about 20 years to receive the privilege of standing here in your presence to share with you all the struggles of my own that I had to face and muster through. Any disability, physical or mental, should not make you feel as a nuisance in your life. The community, the society, or anybody for that matter may view you as a person with disabilities, but you and I should beg to differ. Thank you.
Boleh sebut.